Welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Carl Salmon Osata. I hope you are doing fine. Please, if you are new, remember to subscribe, like, and comment. So today we are going to cover on how to prepare a business plan. So when you want to prepare a business plan, the first thing you do, you capture your personal and the school information, like the school name, the index number, your name, the center code, and the other things that you may capture. Then after that, you write the declaration. So in declaration, you just declare that the work you are submitting is your own work, not copied from any other source. Then you write your name, then you write your signature, then you write the date of which you've signed, and you write the supervisor's name, the signature of the supervisor, and the date which the supervisor has signed. Then after that, you write dedication. So in dedication, you write the people of whom you dedicated your work to. You can dedicate your work to your mother, you can dedicate your work to a brother, you can dedicate your work to a sister, a friend, depending on what help you got from them. Then after writing that, remember, after that you capture acknowledgement. So in acknowledgement, you acknowledge God for his goodness, for whatever he has done for you. You can also acknowledge your lecturer, you can acknowledge your parents, you can acknowledge your friend. Then after that is the table of content, which will cover each and everything that you have to do. Then after that, you write the chapter 1 of your business plan will be the executive summary. Which will be the business description. So in business description, you'll describe the kind of business, the name of your business, the work which your business will do, the location of your business you'll capture in business description, and the other things that you may cover. Then you'll show a roadmap showing from the where your school is to the location of your business. So after that, remember, when you are showing your roadmap, you show a detailed roadmap with various places your road is passing through. You may write from your school, you go to the next town is called so and so, the next that way, until you reach the destination, the place where your business is in a specific town or a specific village. You know where your business will be located. Then after that, you write marketing plan. So in marketing plan, you write various things that you'll do so that to make your business be known in the market where you'll be located. So you can do various things. You can do advertisements, you can do promotions, you can do various things so that your business may be known in that specific location. Remember, your business will be new in a given location, so you have to be smart so that various people will recognize the kind of business you have set up, and you will also have competitors, so you have to be smart so that your business may be known by many customers. Remember, the more customers you have, the more business you will do, and it will be good. Then after that, you write the organizational and marketing plan. So after coming up with the business name, you'll write your business, the kind of business you are setting up. You may be setting up a sole proprietorship business or any other business. And who are you to the business? Remember, the business is yours, so you are the owner of the business. You are like the manager, like the CEO of that business. So remember to capture that in your business plan. Then the organizational structure of your business. In a structure of a business, you capture the various organizational positions that are in your business. You have the manager in the far top, who is you. Then you have the next person who follows. You may decide if you decide to come up with a construction company. For an example, just to give an example, I'm coming up with a construction company. I'll have the manager in the far top, Then after manager, I'll have the architect. Remember, the architect is after the manager, the architect is the one who controls the remaining people. Then after the architect, I'll have my quantity surveyor who will do for me the quotations for the work which will be done, who will also supervise various works that have been planned by various other engineers. Then after quantity surveyor, I'll have my finance officer. Then after the finance officer, I'll have my building engineer, I'll have my civil engineer, structural engineer. That way, until the smallest person in that business, for like mine, I decided so that the smallest person will be the unskilled. After the skilled labor, the unskilled, that is the last person in my organization. Then remember, these people, you will write these people, and you'll write their qualifications. Like a manager, you are the manager. Which qualifications will you put in place in case you want to have another manager? Which qualification should this manager possess? You'll write it there. Then the responsibilities of this manager in that organization, you'll also have to write. Then after that, you'll do the same for all other staffs in your business. At the architects, you write the qualifications, you write the responsibility of your architect, then the quantity surveyor, that way until the smallest person you have in your business. Then after capturing all those, remember that after capturing all those, you also go to the operational plan. The people who are helping you to run this business, they must work as a team so that the business will be successful. Remember, when you are working as a team, your business will be successful and you'll achieve very many things. So that is what you'll capture in your operational plan. Then after operational plan, you write the type of business that you are coming up with. The type of business that you are coming up with. Your business may be a sole proprietorship business, depending on how you made your choice. It can be a partnership business. It can be any other business that you'll choose. Then after that, you write the goals of your business in a specific market location. So in a market, you'll come up with the goals that after a given period of time, I will want my business to achieve this and this and this. The goals of your business can be like, mine was a construction company. So construction company, my first goal will be to improve the infrastructural development of the country or of a given place. Then after that, to enhance accountability and transparency in the construction sector. Those are some of the goals that my business will have. Then after that, after writing various goals of your business, you'll have to write the products and services that your business will be dealing with. Like mine is a construction company, so my construction company will be dealing with things like contracts, doing works for people, works like construction works, engineering related works. You'll do other things like architectural drawing, so that the things which I'll do in my business, the products I'll offer in my business are like the work I do to my clients. That is the product that I offer. Then after capturing the products and services that you'll do, those are the services that my organization will give to the market. Then after that, you'll have to write the justification of the opportunity. The justification of the opportunity. In the justification of the opportunity, you'll write how your organization will work so that your work will be successful. You'll have teamwork in your work, in your place of work, among your staffs. That will help you succeed at the period of time which you had written that your business will elapse. Then after that, you go to the industry. the industry, the kind of business you're coming up with, the industry, there are various industries. So your business may be financing industry, your business may be engineering, your business will be textile. There are various types of industry. So you will classify the kind of industry which your business belongs to, the kind of industry that which your business belongs. Yes, the kind of business which you are doing, the kind of industry which your business belongs to. Then after that, you'll go to entry and growth. After which period of time will you start your business? You may write, after completion of my course, maybe a certificate course, maybe a degree course, maybe a diploma course, I would like to start this business. So that is when you'll write, after completion of my degree course, I'll start my business. Then the maturity state of your business. After how long will your business mature in that market? So that will be the end of our chapter 1. Then the chapter 2 of our business plan will be the marketing plan. Which marketing plans do you have in place so that your business will be successful? The first thing, you'll write the marketing objectives, the objectives of the market. Yeah, the objectives of the market. The objectives of the market. So like you'll write, my business will offer quality work to the market. Transparent work. You'll work in a transparent way. So you are the person who will decide the kind of things that you'll capture in your marketing objectives. They cannot be the same, because mine is a construction firm. Maybe yours may be a warehouse, maybe yours may be a hardware. You may come up with an hospital. You may come up with any other thing, any other topic that you may be guided. So this is just a standard layout of how a business plan should look like. Then after that, you will write. Okay, so in chapter 3, which is the organization and management plan, in the business you'll set up, you will have the objectives of your business, which kind of objectives you lay down, so that at a given period of time you will have achieved them. So in like mine, the construction firm that I decided that I will set up, I will have the objective like creating employment opportunities to youth and other individuals, improving the infrastructural development of a country, conduct projects in transparency within speculated time, so on and so forth, as you can see in my video. So your business may not be the same as mine, but the guideline here is that whenever you are coming up with your business, you should have various objectives. You should have some objectives that you will achieve after a given period of time, and your business will be successful. So the next thing after that is the business manager's qualifications and their responsibilities. As I had said earlier, the people you'll have in your business, each and every person will have various qualifications, so that even if you are doing a recruitment process, you'll have a description of how you want your manager to be qualified. Like the manager here, for mine, I say that my manager should have a minimum of a diploma certificate in engineering. Remember, my business is a construction firm. So other qualities, as you may highlight by yourself, another is must have a good communication skills as a manager, and the responsibility of your manager in the company, you also list them down. And the next one, remember, the manager is the overall head of your business, and other personnel that you will need so that the business will run smoothly, like the architects, the qualifications, you must list them down, the responsibility of the architect, the responsibility of the quantity surveyor, that way. And each and every staff that you will employ, you should have their qualification listed down, their responsibilities, and the other one. So after that, we are going to the next one, which is the organization structure. Each and every firm must have an organization structure, and your structure you can put it in a table form. In the far top, as you can see in mine, the far top we have the manager, then you have the architects. That way, according to their authorities, you have the quantity surveyor, finance officer, right, until the least person, who is the unskilled labor. Then the next one after that will be the recruitment, training, and promotion. In your business, you must lay down the processes you'll use to recruit members, the process after recruiting a new employee, which are the things you will do so that the new employee will be adapted to the work he is employed in. You may recruit somebody who has never done the kind of work you want them to do, so you must you must explain each and everything you'll put in place so that they can be well conversant with the work. And after sometimes in our organization, you know that your workers, those who are working, who are hardworking, you'll have to promote them. So you'll also list them there. So like mine, you can see the company will be specialized, that each personnel will work in the area of he or she is best in, and this will lead to increased competition. Hardworking individuals will be identified by the management, and they will receive some forms of promotions like salary increment. Those are the promotions that my business would like to give to the workers. Job security and promotions, welfare security, and other ones. Then the next, when the company will need more personnel, it will use various strategies of recruitment of workers, like the certificate of the individual must prove that the individual is qualified for the given work, how creative the individual is, how hardworking the person is, and so on and so forth. Then after that, you'll have to explain the staff training and development. How will you train your staff? How will your staffs be developed in their areas of specialization? For mine, I had listed architectural engineer. As you can see, potential customers, duration and period 3 years, cost to be incurred 100,000, remarks competent. The cost to be incurred is the cost to be incurred for training the worker. The cost to be incurred for training the worker, not the salary, the cost to be incurred for training the worker. And the other one, as I've listed down. And they are cool, the remarks there, you say how the person is coping up with the training. Then the same chapter 3, you'll have the remuneration and incentives. These are the payment scheme of your workers. You'll put as the contractor, mine as the contractor, the basic salary of the contractor, the sailing, the house allowance, the medical allowance, and other allowance that your workers may have. Your allowances may not be the same as mine, because each and every organization has different payment schemes. So after listing down all those, you go to licenses, permits, and bylaws. For you to set up a business, you must have some license. You must have permits. You can acquire some license from the county government, some are being acquired from the national government and various bodies, Engineers Board of Kenya. But depending on the business you are setting up, remember, you cannot do a business without a permit from the authorities, without a license from the authorities. So you'll also write how you will acquire your licenses, your bylaws, and the permits down there. Then the support services. The support services. Support services are like the people you'll trade with, the kind of business you'll set up. So the support services. Your support services like the banks you will trade with. Remember, when you are doing a business, you must have you may decide to create a bank account so that the money you are transacting, you may transact through the bank. You must have an insurance agency you are insured with. You must have various people that you may, the advisory team can be various organizations. So you will also list the support services your business will have, and the charges they'll charge you either per year, per month, or the way you'll decide. Then the reasons and the functions of those support services you'll have to explain there. If it is the bank, you'll explain what the bank is offering to your business. If it is the advocates, you'll explain what the advocates are helping you with. If the insurance companies, you'll explain advisory, and so on and so forth. So after that, that is the end of chapter 3. So we'll proceed to chapter 4. So chapter 4 is operational production plan. Operational and production plan. So operational and production plan, you must have an objective. The operation of the business you are setting up. Remember, you are setting up a business that you would like to do. What are the operations that your business will be doing? So you must list the objectives of your business. As you can say, so like mine, as a manager of the construction company, I will ensure within an operational period of 5 years the infrastructural condition of Kisumu will have changed. My business was set up in Kisumu, so that's why I've written Kisumu. So you may also decide to write wherever your business will be situated. So you'll also explain them. So after writing the objectives, you'll write the production and operational facilities and capacities. So the production and operational facilities and capacities. So your business, the business you are doing, which kind of work will it do? The capacity of the work you can do. You cannot go for a work you cannot do. The equipment that will help you to do that work, you must list them down and explain each and every one of them. So you also have the production and operational strategies. Which strategies have you put in place so that your business will run smoothly? You will also list them, the strategies you put in place so that your business will run smoothly. Then you have the geographical location. You'll also explain where your business will be located, the route to your business, the existing places that people may know your business with. Maybe your business is located next to a given mountain, next to a given geographical thing like the mountain, the river, the lake. You may explain it there. Then after that, you come up with the working hours, shift schedule table. How your workers will work. Maybe your business is doing some works that may be done even at night. So how will you cooperate your workers to do their works effectively? You'll also list them there. The operational and production process. The processes that your business will follow so that they can deliver quality work to the community or to the place you are in. Yeah, after covering that, you'll now go to the external factors likely to affect production or operational process. Remember, each and every business, there is a factor that is affecting it, either negatively or positively. So you'll also have to list each and every factor that is affecting your business. Yeah, each and every factor that is affecting your business, and you also explain whether it is affecting your business positively or it is affecting it negatively. You list them down one by one as you explain. Then Uh, the last thing in chapter 4 is the regulations affecting operation and production. Like for mine, you can see for construction works to be executed as contractor, I will ensure all legal amenities are processed on time to be safe. Remember, you cannot do a business without the guidelines of other legal bodies. Like for a construction, when you are setting up a construction farm, remember to be registered by the NEMA, the NCA, the county government, the public health insurance, so that you may work in a safe environment. So that is the end of chapter 4. Then you'll proceed to the last chapter, which is chapter 5. Chapter 5 is about the financial planning. When you are setting up a business, your business must have the capital that you'll start with the operations of your business. So the financial planning, you have the financial plan objectives. BD will ensure that by the end of the first trading period, it will have cleared all debts and have cleared all the expenses in card. Yeah. So those are the objectives of my farm. Maybe you are doing a given contract or a given work and you had not been paid. So after payment is done, you will ensure that all the debts are cleared, all the expenses are cleared, so that you can prepare for the next project. Then after clearing all the debts, all the expenses, you'll then calculate the work you've done, the amount of profit that work has generated for you. Then after that, you'll have the pre-operational expenses. In each and every business, there are expenses that are incurred, so you must list them down. You can do it in form of a table. Like you can see, license is an expense. It will cost you. I took an example. Mine will cost me around 50,000 to acquire a license. Insurance, you are insured. You had insured your business. Remember, in the support services, we had an insurance firm. So insurance will cost, the amount insurance will cost, electricity, each and every expenses that you will have in your business, you'll have to capture. Yes, so you'll have to list all the expenses and the amounts they'll cost you. Then after that, you'll have working capital estimated, the capital that your business will spend. For when preparing the working capital estimation, you'll have these items, the current assets, the total. Remember, the capital is estimated by the things that your business own, not not things that they do not own. So you'll have the cash in hand, cash at bank, the prepayments, the debtors, you'll have them listed. Then you'll need the current liabilities like the creditors, the loans, you'll also list them. Then they calculate working capital is equal to current asset minus current liability. That is the formula for getting the working capital. Then you'll see mine, my working capital was around 700,000, so that's the one I estimated. Then after that, you'll have the preparation of pro forma cash flow. Preparation of the pro forma cash flow. It will also be in a table form where you'll put each and every month with the activity, with the cost, according to the works you'll do. The expenses, you'll list them down, each and every one of them, then calculate. At the end, you'll have the net cash flow. The cash flow is the amount of money you spend on a daily basis on expenses, on maybe the ones people are purchasing from you. You'll have the money that they'll be giving you to purchase products. So then you will calculate the net cash flow, which the formula is cash inflow minus cash outflow, which you are seeing there. Then after that, you prepare the pro forma income statement. Pro forma income statement is the amount of money that you'll have after deducting the expenses that you'll spend in your business. Like for this, I listed, after drawing the table, I listed payment for the project completed, in year 1, the entire year. You prepare it for the entire year, then you go to the next year according to the amount of years that your work will do. But you can just do a brief one to explain the kind of works you'll do, and the amount of money and the cost of materials there. You can see, then calculate the gross profit that you'll remain with. Then after calculating the gross profit, you'll also less other expenses. Remember, each and every work you are doing, there are expenses. Like for mine, you can see there are expenses like salaries and wages, licenses. After doing all those, you'll have the total expenses, then you have the net profit, then you less provision for tax. Each and every business you'll do, remember, you must pay tax as the regulation of the government that is laid down. Then you'll now calculate the net profit after tax down there. It's just a simple procedure. Then after completing that, you'll have to prepare the pro forma financial position of the business. You'll come up with that table and explain that after at the end of this year, the financial position of my business will be this. The financial position of your business will have to add the amount of assets that your business have, the amount of liabilities. Then you get it by subtracting the assets minus the liabilities. Yeah, you have the total current assets, then you have the total liabilities, then you subtract them to get the position of your business. Then the last thing, you calculate the break-even point of your business. The break-even point, the formula is there. Yeah. Then lastly, desired financing. The desired financing. Desired financing, we have the things like pre-operational expenses. You'll have the working capital is there, fixed assets is there. Then the total desired financing is that you add the pre-operational expenses, the working capital, and the fixed asset to get the total desired financing. Then you prepare the proposed capitalization, which is the total investments, then the owner's contribution, then the borrowed funds. That is the last thing. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please remember to subscribe. Let's meet when I'm uploading the next video for estimation and costing. Thank you so much.